Good evening friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I am going to explain one of the important question of a straight line. The question is, find the equation of the line passing through the intersection point of x plus y equals to 5 and 2x minus y equals to 4 having slope 3. That means you have to find an equation of a line which have slope 3 and which is passing through the intersection point of this equation and this equation. If you have two equation, what will be the intersection point of these equation? You have to find x and y. That x and y will be the intersection point of these equation. So you have x plus y equals to 5 and 2x minus y equals to 4. When you will add these equation, y and y will be cancelled. Here will be 3x equals to 9, x equals to 3, and you have to put this value of x in equation 1. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. If you will put the value of x, you will get 3 plus y equals to 5. So y will be 5 minus 3 equals to 2. That means the intersection point is 3, 2. Now you have to write the equation. You have one point by which the line is passing, that is 3, 2, and you have the slope of the line, that is 3. So you have to apply point slope form, and what it is, y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So you just put the value of x1 and y1, you will get y minus y1 is 2 equals to m is 3 into x minus x1 is 3, y minus 2 equals to 3x minus 9. 3x, this y will go that side, 3x minus y minus 9, and this 2 will go that side, minus 9 plus 2 minus 7. So the equation will be 3x minus y minus 7 equals to 0.